In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions in Notion. If you've ever found yourself needing to include fractions in your Notion documents, then this guide will help you seamlessly integrate them, enhancing your presentation and making your documents clearer and more comprehensive. So let's dive right in. First, open up your Notion workspace where you want to include your fractions. It doesn't matter if it's an existing page or a completely new one. Once you're in your desired location, you'll want to activate the Math feature, which is the key to inserting fractions. To do this, simply type / followed by the word Math. This step is crucial as it opens a drop-down menu featuring a variety of mathematical options. Upon doing this, you'll notice two handy options appear: block equation and inline equation. These are used to distinguish how you want to display your fraction. If your goal is to have your fraction stand out as an individual line, similar to how you might display a standalone formula, you'll opt for the block equation. On the other hand, if you intend to embed your fraction within the text smoothly, the inline equation is the way to go. For the purpose of illustrating how to use a block equation, let's go through an example. You'll type in the following syntax: frac 1 4. What this does is create a fraction where 1 is your numerator and 4 is your denominator. It's a straightforward command that utilizes LaTeX formatting, which Notion supports for all mathematical expressions. After typing it, press Enter and voila! Your fraction appears neatly formatted as its own block. Next, let's discuss the inline equation, which is slightly similar in the input process, but showcases a slightly different visual result. For this, let's use the example of plash frac, $100, $100. Typing this within your line of continuous text will seamlessly integrate the fraction exactly at that point, maintaining the flow of your paragraph or statement. This is ideal for situations where you need to demonstrate mathematical precision without breaking the narrative flow. And there we have it. You've successfully learned how to insert fractions into your Notion documents, both as standalone equations and integrated within text. Practice with different numerators and denominators to become more comfortable with the process. This powerful feature not only enhances the clarity of your work, but also adds a level of professionalism and precision that can be particularly helpful in academic, professional, or detailed personal projects. With these steps in your toolkit, go on and make your documents shine with accurate mathematical expressions.